Why can healthy eating be more complicated for people living on a low income? This research was conducted across Europe, but this is a case study of Cork City, Ireland. In Ireland, those from disadvantaged areas have a mortality rate twice as high as those from affluent areas. A potential explanation for this phenomenon is food-related inequalities. Food environments shape our choices, and unequal food environments may be contributing to health inequalities. So what did FoodPath do to answer this question? We conducted 3 group model building sessions with community members and community workers involving 3 steps. What factors influence healthy eating on a low income? How are these factors related? And what are the important actions needed? One of the barriers identified by participants was density of fast food and takeaway restaurants. Another barrier was advertising of high fat, sugar and salt foods outside of shops, on billboards, at bus stations and parks, and in weekly brochures. Participants also identified the wide availability of foods high in fat, sugar and salt. The factors identified by community members and community workers were used to build a causal loop diagram. This is an example of a reinforcing loop within the diagram, where as healthy food becomes more expensive during the cost of living crisis, people face competing priorities and increasingly rely on takeaways and ultra-processed foods. This normalizes fast food consumption, increasing consumer demand, and encourages greater availability of unhealthier food options, reinforcing the cycle. Actions included zoning restrictions for unhealthy food outlets and regulations for advertising, increasing access to community facilities and classes, supporting local food systems and implementing nutrition assistance programs, and improving food environments in and around schools and increasing food education. These policy actions will be fed into Cork's Sustainable and Healthy Food Strategy, which has 5 goals. The findings will also be used in academic output for an Ireland and in a cross-country comparison paper. Thank you so much for listening, and please let us know if you have any questions.